Hello everyone, my name is Lerato Mutobi, a professional nurse practicing here at Beautez Pharmacy. So in my daily practice, I realized that urinary tract infections or UTIs are among the most common infections, especially in women. So today I want to share with you how certain natural supplements can help prevent UTIs and support the treatment of UTIs. But first, a quick explanation. So UTIs are basically infections of the urinary tract. When we talk of the urinary tract, we talk of the urethra, the bladder, the ureters, and the kidneys. So UTIs can be bacterial, they can be viral or fungal. But the vast majority of UTIs are bacterial. So like I said, UTIs are infections of the urinary tract. So they come about when the pathogenic microorganisms, especially the E. coli species, ascend through the urethra, making their way to the bladder. So in the bladder, this bacteria adheres onto the walls of the bladder and invades the mucous membrane. And this invasion of the mucous membrane of the bladder by the bacteria triggers an inflammatory response. So this inflammation is what brings about the classic symptoms of UTI, the likes of the agency and frequency to urinate and the lower abdominal pain. So here at Beautez Pharmacy, we have these supplements that are packed with ingredients that not only help prevent UTIs, but they also support the treatment of UTIs. So these products are infused with ingredients like your cranberry extract. So the cranberry has compounds called polyphenols. These polyphenols, they latch onto the bacteria and actually block the ability of that bacteria to adhere onto the bladder wall. So when the bacteria is not able to bind onto the bladder wall, it gets flushed out of the urinary tract during urination. And the other ingredient is D-mannose. So D-mannose is a simple natural sugar of which, when ingested, a significant amount of it is excreted into the urine without being broken down. So there in the bladder, in the presence of this free D-mannose molecules, the bacteria in there would actually prefer to bind onto this sugar instead of onto the bladder walls. So after the bacteria binds, this complex, the D-mannose bacterial complex, gets flushed out of the urinary tract during urination. We also have in this formulation sage seeds. So now these ones, not only are they anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, but they also have a diuretic effect, meaning they make you pass urine more frequently. So the more urine you pass, the more bacteria gets flushed out of your urinary tract. And there's also citrate. So the citrate helps alkalinize the urine, reducing its acidity. So that is going to help relieve that burning sensation during urination. So all of these ingredients combined, they make a potent supplement that not only helps prevent UTI, but it also helps support the treatment of UTIs if you already have a UTI and are already on medication. So if you're somebody who struggles with recurrent urinary tract infections, or you're just looking for supplements to support your urinary tract, these supplements, they are natural, they are tolerated and safe for long-term use. So you can get yourself these products if you're somebody who struggles with recurrent urinary tract infections. You can get the supplements at any of the Beautez Pharmacy branches at Maseru Mall, NRH Mall, the Masianike Lifestyle Complex, and Hafos. Thank you.